Welcome back. This exercise will apply something we've learned related to flow control. Our goal is to ask the user for a starting number and an ending number, and then print only the odd numbers within that range. This requires both the while loop for iteration and the if statement for decision-making. 1. Reading and initializing inputs. We read the start and end numbers from the user. Since the end number defines our loop condition and the start number acts as our initial counter, we assign the start input to our control variable, which we will call current_number. Two, combining while and if. The while loop runs as long as current_number is less than or equal to the end value. Inside the loop, the if statement checks for the odd condition, if the number modulus 2 is not equal to 0. Three, analyzing the flow. Notice the indentation. The if statement and the increment line are both inside the while loop. However, the print statement is only inside the if block. This ensures that the number is increment every time, but only printed when the odd condition is met. To summarize, combining loops and conditions is a programming pattern that you may use regularly in the future. The while loop controls the repetition, and the if statement controls which data points are selected or acted upon during that repetition. We have seen the while loop. Next, we explore the for loop, which is often easier to use when iterating over a known sequence. Join me in Lecture 09 for syntax.